Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out the Graco SmartSense Baby Swing with cry detection technology. If you're a parent looking for a swing that can soothe your baby automatically, this one is a game changer. Let's dive in. Graco SmartSense Baby Swing. This swing is designed with your baby's comfort in mind. It comes in a beautiful Rori color, has organic cotton fabrics, and even a removable infant body support to keep your little one snug and cozy. Here's one of the coolest features: cry detection technology. The swing actually hears your baby's cries and responds automatically within seconds. It combines gentle rocking, soothing vibrations, and white noise to calm your baby without you lifting a finger. Isn't that amazing? The Graco SmartSense swing offers multiple motions: swing, rock, cradle, and glide, mimicking the way parents naturally rock their babies. And the soothing settings? There are literally thousands of combinations of songs, sounds, vibrations, and rocking speeds, so you can find the perfect mix that keeps your baby happy and comfortable. The swing also comes with a 3-position recline and a 5-point harness for maximum safety and comfort. Plus, the removable toy bar adds visual stimulation, keeping your little one entertained while staying secure. So if you're looking for a baby swing that's smart, safe, and incredibly soothing, the Graco SmartSense Baby Swing is definitely worth considering. Parents will love the hands-free cry response, and babies will love the comfort and gentle motions. If you want to check this swing out, I've added a link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more product reviews just like this. Thanks for watching.